Now I will explain about the AND operator. I want to find the sell profit which is greater than 15,000. At the same time, sale should be also 1,30,000 more. So I just use the AND operator here, and I will show two methods. Just first I select this profit 15,000. It's greater than 15,000, comma. Another logic is sales greater than 1,30,000. Yeah, but if I drag all this, then it will show the false. Yeah, yeah. The only this condition is satisfied. Third row 7, 9, and 10. I will show another one as well. Like, and 15,000 greater than this value 15,000. Another logic is sales greater than sales 130,000. Now if I drag all this, then it will definitely show the yeah, all are true because it's changed the row. For example, here it's G M10, but here it calculates M11, which is here, but it's the null value. That's why. So first I need to lock these two cell. So I just apply the dollar sign that will lock M10 and N10. So in every row, it will this formula will remain as it is. And only G and H I will lock. Now yeah, that's done. If I want to apply here, I want to highlight the name whose salary is whose profit is more than 15,000 and sale is 1,30,000. Then just go to conditional formatting. I have to apply new rule. Before that, I just have to copy paste this formula. I just copy this formula in new rule. I use this formula to determine which cell to format. Here I will paste this formula. I will show the yellow color. Now in name, if this formula is true, then it will highlight as yellow. So yes. So this true means highlight. That's why showing yellow colors. So this is a AND operator in which I can apply different kinds of logic condition